All right. Well, wonderful to be with you this week. Today, we are going to recap our self-care, our August month of self-care. And just review, I hope you've been practicing and taking moments to make the small changes in your day so that you're feeling better. So we have 6 pillars that we have been working on all month. Our first is our food, what we eat, how we eat, when we eat. We've gone over that. Our breath, how important our breath is, and getting movement into our day and our week. Very important. Our sleep. We talked about our sleep routine. Do we have a nice morning routine? How about our evening when we start relaxing and getting ready to have some good, solid sleep? Hydrating. That's a pillar. We need to make sure that we're drinking water. And nature. Making sure that we are outside, getting fresh air, getting our sunshine, getting our movement and breathing. Throw it all together into one big bucket. And then our emotions. Our 6th pillar is our emotions. How are we doing? Are we talking about how we're feeling? Are we sharing? Are we journaling? Are we taking care of ourselves, and are we tuning in? Emotions are so important, and let's make sure we've got some good tools to manage our emotions. So it's short and sweet this week, and it's all about you. You are amazing. You can make these small changes. You are a beautiful light in this world, and we need you, and we can do anything, and you can do anything you put your mind to make your path, to make your life, to make your day better and more joyful. Have a great week, everyone.
I know you can't get enough of Jean. Well, you can go to thetruthayf.com for more of Jean's Words of the Week.